Have you ever experienced the frustration of a locked Renault navigation after a power loss? You're not alone. But don't worry, retrieving your Renault navigation code is easier than you might think. Whenever your Renault battery is disconnected or replaced, your car's navigation will lock itself as a theft deterrent system. To reactivate your navigation, you'll need a unique code that syncs with your specific vehicle. I'm going to show you Radio++ on your phone, which gives your unlock code based on VIN, your car, or serial number of radio. Just enter your VIN or serial number and press Generate. After finishing, you will receive your Renault navigation unlock code. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Radio++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end. And that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.